Man, yeah, y'all. Wifey Poo in the garden once again. Hey, hon. Wifey Poo in the garden. Don't mind me, I'm just checking your garden out. I didn't do an update the other day when I cut the grass. So yeah. Don't worry, I won't get you on video at all. Wifey Poo in the garden. I'm just saying that. It's not like I'm gonna name the video that or anything.
Make sure if you do, you put quotations around Wifey Poo.
No, I'm gonna have everybody thinking that you took a big old dump in your garden. It just gets more views that way, you understand? There's our little tree right there. Yeah, I like these new things, hon. These new hangy things.
I gotta do these two. Wouldn't take too long, so it should be pretty easy.
Got to get some use out of that instead of just sitting down there at the bottom. Just wasting away. Uh-huh. What you gonna do with this empty bed here? I see something pop up there. It's probably just a weed though. Weed. Mm-hmm. All right, I'll leave you be, hon. See you later. There y'all have it, folks. Wifey Poo in the garden. Y'all saw it yourself. That's right. Peace.